Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and we do all kinds of fun unboxings. On this channel, we do beauty, lifestyle, candles, pets, home decor, everything you can think of, we do it here. So if you enjoy unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. And guys, as always, please do give the video a thumbs up if you appreciate it or like it, as that helps me out. Also, don't forget, we have 2 active giveaways going on right now. We have our holiday appreciation giveaway and we have our thrift bag holiday giveaway. So those will both be linked down below. So make sure you enter if you have not already. But I got BoxyLuxe. Yay! So we're gonna cut this bad boy open, see what I got. There's a couple products I'm like, please let me get. But either way, I know it's gonna be amazing. So let's open her up and see. Well, okay. All right. So for those of you that do not know, BoxyLuxe is a seasonal or quarterly subscription. So if you get BoxyCharm, that is $25 a month. And then every 3rd month, you will get charged an additional $25.99 or $24.99. So your total will be $49.99 for BoxyLuxe. And it's supposed to have over a $250 value, I believe. And you get like 10 products. It's awesome. So I'll put a link down below if you'd like to check out BoxyCharm and sign up for BoxyLuxe. So this is what I see. Hello, Charmer, bubble wrap, and a card. And the theme this month is whimsy. And I can see that I got variation 18. So we have lots of bubble wrap in here, but this is what I am seeing so far. So let's get to it. All right. So the first thing I see here is from Saturday Skin. This is their Waterfall Glacier Water Cream right here. And this says an anti-aging glacier water cream that delivers mineral-rich moisture while protecting skin from free radicals. A fusion of ferments, amino acids, and plant extracts help calm skin while boosting vitality and suppleness. This is a $39 value. I love water creams because they just feel so great on the skin. It's the outer packaging. And like I said, yeah, they just feel so great on the skin, but they do the job of getting the moisture there. So there you can see that. Put a little, well, that was more than a little. There's more on that lid than I thought. So yeah, you can see it's just like a clear gel. Little goes a long way. But it does, it sinks into your skin quickly and it just really does moisturize. Like, I don't know, there's something about water creams that just, I mean, it's soaked in, my skin is soft, doesn't leave a tacky, sticky feeling. I love that. So I'm super excited to have that guy to add to my ever growing arsenal. All right, so then next, oh yes, this is one of the products I was like, I really want. It is the Ciate London Confetti Highlighter. Very reflective, you're gonna see everything. So it says, achieve a sun-kissed glow with Ciate London's Confetti Highlighter, featuring a mix of shades that have been carefully pressed together for a radiant highlight in one sweep. And this is $32. Because I believe the other option was a blush, and I have plenty of blushes. So I have plenty of highlighters too, but this one was just like screaming. And it is like literally a mirror. So you can see my lighting and everything. So there's what that looks like. And then, oh my gosh, yes, there is a nice mirror inside. But you guys look, isn't that just like the coolest looking highlighter. So let's do a swatch. Feels soft. Oh, yes. That is so nice. So I am so excited to have that guy. All right. Then, let's see. Oh, I've had this before. I really like this. This is the Ritual of Sakura Shower Gel. It says, give your skin the gift of a new beginning with this foaming shower gel from the Ritual of Sakura. Featuring the renewing scent of cherry blossom and organic rice milk, it uses technology to transform the gel into a silky, soft, cleansing foam. Lather up and luxuriate in the rich and fragrant foamy soap. Take a moment to slow down and renew your energy. And this is $9.50. And you guys, this smells so good. I love it. Sensational foaming shower gel, organic rice milk, and cherry blossom. Celebrate each day as a new beginning. So, yay! All right. And then what are you? What are you? In Beauty Power Up Dual Phase Setting Face Mist. Okay. This energizing face mist is the pick-me-up you need to get you through the day and night. Special bi-phase formula instantly activates and transforms as you shake it. Get ready to power up. Formulated with our Even Autumn Complex, which helps even out the look of redness, blotchiness, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and dullness. Naturally colored and scented with energizing aromatic plants. $32. So it says setting mist on here, but this is making it sound like it's just like a facial mist, which I love. So I'm definitely excited to have a new one. And it says to shake it up. So, oh, I can kind of see, you can you guys see that separation right there? So let's shake it up and see what happens. And let's see what it smells like. Make sure it's not like, okay, it's a fine mist. Oh, it smells good. And it's refreshing. I like that. Yes. I probably have like, I'm not even joking, like 12 facial mists, but I'm so obsessed. This summer, the first facial mist got me hooked. So then from Too Faced, we have a melted metallic, liquefied metallic matte lipstick. And this is in Pillow Talk. So here is what it looks like. So let's take a look. Oh, so it's like a nude, but because it's metallic, let's see. This says Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick, long-wearing, innovative, ultra matte lipstick with the staying power of a stain and the intense color of a liquid lipstick. $21. Being that it's a metallic, I'm gonna swatch it. So it is a nude, as you can see, but because it's metallic, you see? So it's a little different. This actually would be great to create like an ombre lip look. So I'm actually really happy to have that. All right, and then the QMS Meta Cosmetics. I've received something else from this brand, and I think this brand is pretty pricey. This is a lip line corrector. This is a lip serum. All about, yes, serum. Formulated exclusively for the upper lip area, lip line corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles. This high-performance lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. And this is $200. Is it me or boxes this month? Is it December? Y'all trying to give us Christmas presents? Because I got a $200 product in another box. I got $100 and some product in a box. Like, oh, it pops up. I'm like thinking this was a lid, and I'm like, okay. Well, I'm not gonna swatch or test this because $200, I'm gonna keep every single half ounce that is in here. So there's that guy. Yes, yes, yes. Then we have Squished. It's just the box. This is Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. It says for all skin types, rich in amino acid, gently cleanses face and eyes. So there's that. It's a big guy. This gel cleanser for all skin types has a cult following for the way it removes makeup, even mascara, without drying for soft, supple skin. It's made with amino acid rich soy proteins, calming cucumber extract, and balancing rose water. Sensitive skin, it also soothes and tones. $48? What? For a facial wash? Okay. That's why I love subscription boxes. I would never pay these prices. Never. All right. And then something here. What is this? Green Grass? I feel like I've seen or gotten a product from this brand before. Dry Oil Spray. Fragrance Beach Air inspired by Greece. What do you say on here? This fast-absorbing, multi-purpose dry oil spray is formulated with a blend of high-quality oils that quickly penetrate, delivering superior moisture, leaving skin soft and luminous without feeling greasy. Layer with M-Grass hand and body lotion for extra moisture. $36. I thought this was something for your hair. Okay. So beach air, I was thinking it was gonna be something to give you beachy waves, and I'm thinking that's not really this time of year, but an oil would be fantastic this time of year, and I like it. It's a spray. So let's see what it does. All right. Well, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like, it's on there. It smells really, really good. Like, it smells really good. Y'all hear my knuckle pop? It does smell really, really good. And luminous without feeling greasy. My hand feels a little greasy where I was rubbing it in, but my arm does not. So, okay. I'm excited about that. If I didn't say $36. And then we have one final product. I'm excited about this. This is the Fairy Tales Storybook Cosmetics Little Briar Rose eyeshadow palette. Storybook Cosmetics Little Briar Rose eyeshadow storybook palette is a magical palette featuring a custom hardcover storybook with a dozen highly pigmented matte, metallic, and pearl eyeshadows. The cruelty-free, long-wear, buttery smooth shadow formula can be used wet or dry. Mix and match to concoct your favorite spellbinding look. $55. All right. Oh, it's so pretty. So there's a nice big mirror. Y'all, these colors. Oh my gosh. Like, I would use this so much. Like, I will get so much use out of this palette. I already know that. That is just stunning. And I'm telling you something right now. This packaging, are you kidding me? Like, legit looks like a book. So cute. I love it. So we got the palette. We got the Saturday Skin Water Cream, which I'm so excited about. The Ciate London Highlighter, love it. It was one of the products I was wanting. The face cleanser, the $200 lip serum, the In Beauty Power Up Face Mist, the dry oil, the Too Faced liquid lip, and the Rituals shower gel. So I think this is probably one of the best BoxyLuxes ever. Like, they legit gave us such a great combination of skincare and beauty. I am just so happy with this BoxyLuxe. They didn't throw in like a little mini hair straightener or blow dryer. They kept it to actual beauty and skincare products, which I love. Now, I will tell you, this I was actually not even aware was an option. I was really hoping for the IGK dry shampoo, but that aside, I love this box and I think this is my favorite BoxyLuxe ever. I will add up and put the total value of my box right down here for you guys. Let me know what you got in your BoxyLuxe if you do receive it. Were we BoxyLuxe twins? Let me know down below. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday evening, and I will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye.